Mixtrap.com.
Ricky Ross, T-Pain.
Got a fresh lineup, yeah, a fresh outfit. About to have the parking lot on smash. Plus I got a 7 with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.